My name is Mitchell Dreyer. I am the founder of our family-owned business, Pulp Story Juice. So we have 8 cold-pressed juice blends. We've got 4 greens, 3 ginger and fruit blends, 1 all fruit, and then we have our 2 wellness shots. So we have been in business now for 18 months. We've been wholesaling for about 4 months. We did a proof of concept period still going on in farmers markets all over LA County. I've always been enthusiastic about juicing, and it's by making and selling what we make. We've been listening to what our customers' likes are, and we've added new products which people enjoy a lot. And I think that turmeric is a really hot property right now. Well, wellness shots are certainly the leading edge, I think, of the juice space right now. And turmeric is amazingly beneficial. Good for your heart, good for your brain, good for your vascular system. I've become my own best customer. So I'm kind of, sharing the word. We have absolutely. We've touched a lot of people in some communities, and there is repeat business, which is very encouraging. And so now, we felt that now is the right time to go out into stores. Amazing. And this is an informed group, which is really encouraging. So people have been lining up. They love our concept, our package, but most of all, they love the taste and the ingredients that we use. It's really, word of mouth. It's one person at a time, and we've retained the customers that we had. They refer new people to us. So the farmers markets have been very effective. We have some social media, which is growing. We have an online presence, and we are also being distributed by Comfy House Foods in Los Angeles. We're exclusively in natural foods outlets, small grocery stores. There are some coffee shops, bakeries, and such. Continue to, perfect our product, listen to our customers, make it as consistent, use the highest quality ingredients we can, and be innovative.